just Alkaline walk through down a town, people. And I just Alkaline and carry alone and one local lady, Alkaline and wave through breeze. Nobody. Look at Cartel on top of the video, Mr. People. Look when Cartel walk through the town like a real superstar.
A few moments later.
Tag him right now, people. All these people. People are all these are the vote, these people.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Remember, we're there in LA. Gaza nation, some powder bank. And how much it does sell for?
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Go on, you don't know things set, you know. Yeah, man, one Media Fox, man. So I see that clip of me hear some man attack, you see me? If I say, oh, the man live in a sound different world, you know. You see me? Different world. You see it. But I want to know what them say.
Come now, say, if you're side, here, get it boss, somehow. I wish you see, you're ready to come up on top. Yeah.
Take a bus and come take some. We have to watch Alkaline album now.
My wood.
Man, stress out, dog. Man, stress out when you hear about Alkaline album. I tell them already, you know. Alkaline album, everybody I wait for, bro. Everybody I wait for Alkaline album. I tell you that, brother. Everybody, no matter which album, everybody I look out for Alkaline album. No matter what them say. Everybody don't know about the other rest album, them and how them are going to set up and all of them little thing there. You see me? Alkaline album. Me see man drop EP last December. And me no hear them talk, but man them a this one album to write it. The girl album. You know you, man them wicked dog. Just through the album no do nothing. The man them this one it. This one the EP. And them no want to hear about it. You see, but everybody away for Alkaline album, bro. Like, come on, like Alka does different. Like, brother. Remember say people say such man, you see me? People say the other rest of the album, them know the strategy, everything. You see it like the album don't really anticipated because Alkaline drop album 5 years now. The other artists them drop like 2 and projects and all them little things. So people see them a drop things and we all know, you know, them a get a little strength with other artists and for them things. So, you know, but you don't know Alka last album at 2021. You see it, but I saw you think so everybody are wait, even the apps them. You see it.
We don't have so much time to waste.
We have to watch Alkaline album, we have to watch King Goat album. And we have to watch Cartel album. We now really for Chronic Last team, even though
Chronic Lord, you know it.
It's Skipper, Asian, Massacre, Chronic Law.
My one say.
So basically them are talk about the summer song or summer hits for this. Brother, I don't know. Brother, you see Chronic Lord in jail, brother. Like bro, jail what I'm going to tell it to right. Chronic Lord in jail, bro. And I say it work. Man, they are jail, bro. You see it?
Jamal, Skipper, Asian, that's 3. I make a wild prediction, just to be wild.
Alright, Jamal, Skipper, I don't know, like, bro, I just see them artists here, them just do them thing, bro, but, I don't know, just do them thing, like, Jamal, I do him thing, but you know more while all the space there already is like you get a little hype and then you know Skipper. Yes, Skipper does have one song, but we not see nothing more after that. You see me, I say things set in you have to continue, but we not see no more song after that. After the DJ offered him. At that time biggest song, so I don't know. I don't see nothing to go on right now, brother. You see, cause I think right now everybody I look for album like the album time, you know. So I don't know. I don't think nobody are really pre in a song right. Everybody are wait for the album them. You see me, cause that I think the album them are gonna just take over the whole year. It depends on when the artist them drop them, but I just that I gonna be the talk. Like maybe one album drop and then the other rest. But You know, some of them are wait for see one man album, you know. I know enough of them want to see Alka album first and then drop for them project after. You understand? And you don't know when Alkaline drop film album, you know a bag of chattings. You don't know a thing already. You know all the way them are gonna say this and that and Ray, you know that already. Them just at wait. You see it?
Me look for one of Carter son come up more in a dancehall. Right by so come on.
The man say, man look for one more Cartel son come up in a dancehall. Brother, I hear them youth there China. All know, you know, brother. What you mean by man them a job song, brother, like come up more in a dancehall? Brother, yo, some of the time I wouldn't understand what I go on, no, dog. You see it? When you really not understand what I go on, bro. I tell you no, but see a vendetta man forward out.
When Alkaline they tell me say go any garrison, still have more charm chain. Remember you know man, a vendetta me say no man, anything me say a lie no man, we have a pause, you know. I see him thing with Alkaline no man. I want to no man, remember anything me say no man a lie, you know. And from me say vendetta, that means that this is a power structure there. Yeah, you know see Alkaline there. Alkaline they downtown where they say Alkaline can't go nowhere, Alkaline can't do nothing. Just like all the time say me can't go nowhere, me can't do this. And a regular me they all about town, mobile, all works. So see him like when I tell the dog say, he tell me say me can't go nowhere, I'm dead. I see him thing. Osh, learn the code. No, just try learn the code. None of one can do data boss done. Just like what you can do me done. I levels to this, I pause running gun, yeah. Osh.
Yeah man, you know, you think certain man is it. Yeah man, you don't know. It's a music video Alka shot is it, so you know the boss just go down them here on a Sunday. You don't know downtown kinda empty and thing and you know, but people dip on the road same way. But you see, because through the shot, the way how them do the video, because remember, you know, police block off the two side of the road. So Alkaline could have shot the video. You understand? So that's why it kind of, people are say, because a bag of thing attacking at me. Let me say I can find the video. You see it? A bag of thing attacking at me.
A few moments.
Yeah, man. So basically, you see, it's like, man just did it and just easy and, you know, him just do him like a video shoot and every like a thing. But it's like, see people are far out and I say, yo, see that nobody no recognize him, man. Some people say Alkaline are AI. Some people say Alkaline I know him that. I see man a forward I talk about yo, I try compare Cartel video when people agree it or whatever. Brother, you see because we don't understand the situation, yeah man, can brain now match his box. Cause you have to understand say the people they behind the camera. You see me, and Alkaline really look for spotlight. Alkaline really look if Alkaline is really that guy, man, gonna just walk out of it and just come out and vehicle and bug a crowd, brother. You understand? Man just not want the bag of attention, dog. Him just go downtown and you know when you say Alkaline do something, it's for a reason. You understand? It's just for a reason. You see it, I do a video shoot. Remember you now go see Alkaline in the street a roam and him nah do nothing. Something him do if you see him. You see me, because at first Alkaline where people say Alkaline downtown, like to them not see them man there is like them are one day for him. Cause people say, yo no bag of crowd and no this, brother. A Sunday morning this early. And police they block off the two side of the road, so nobody couldn't even forward like nearer. So like, you know, Sunday morning downtown, brother, no much people no down there like that. You see me? And then I like Alkaline I put out and I say, yo, man, I had a downtown a video shoot. Nah, the man just pop up doing for the police block the two side of the road and everything. You see me? Alkaline now look no attention, bro. You see me? Remember, you know, him nah no camera or nothing, you know, people just, you see, them the people there, then look, yo, them I wonder if I want alien them see her, cause them could even believe when them see them man there. Yeah, tell you. Cause a good thing, Al can never do this like all night DR down there, ram up. Cause that'd be chaos, brother. I tell you that. But you don't know if the data vast move. Him just want to do him thing and get the hell out of there. You see me? Yeah. I just that the man want to do. You see it? Just that the man want to do that. But people, I have a video for no ear. You see me? Come tell you, you know. All the year, the Gaza people them attacking. Alkaline album them a wait for, you know. Them not wait for Cartel album. Them don't know Cartel thing already. Them not too amidst Cartel music like that. Come I go play a clip and I hear that with a Gaza girl I say. You understand? A Alkaline album them a wait for. That me I tell you. I think a joke thing. So listen people, listen.
Me is a Gaza girl and me sit up with my neck push out so I wait for an Alkaline for drop him album. But I tell the blood can't lie. So me I stay with for all three. Me wait for all three of them. You can't wait for all three of them. Me I tell you no. The reason why me I say that me I talk about.
Yo, people. Yo, dog. We say, yo, that little clip, your dog. A legendary clip, this brother. And then you Gaza people them say, yo, you can go and wait, you know, Alkaline album, we play it again. Me is a Gaza girl and me sit up with my neck push out so I wait for an Alkaline for drop him album. But I tell the blood can't lie. So me I stay with for all three. You can't wait for all three of them. Me I tell you no. The reason why me I say that me I talk. Yo, all our brother that we are talking, you know. Yeah, man. I want a Cartel top vlogger. Him all him about 3 Alkaline album ma wait pan. All him want talk cause he no want to look now. Alkaline album car pan the same live. See him a talk about yo look how Alkaline. Me see man I say yo winter album and all. No me can't see album. Him not wait pan film artist album, you know. Alkaline album Alkaline releasing film album. Him a worry about that than film boss album. You understand? Him man I say yo look how long winter and March, you know. I wanna see nothing yet, wanna see no promotion, nothing yet. I wait him, I wait. That me I tell you. Cause yo, just look. The man them I go review Alkaline album more than Cartel. Me I go tell you. Me I tell you that. You not go see what go on. The man them I go talk about Alkaline album more than Cartel. Them. Remember you know. Cause look, I'm sure say Alkaline album them I wait pan. Then remember say they done with Massacre, you know. They don't want to see Massacre nothing with Massacre, you know. Just know them I go bring down that. You understand? Kind of matter what. When Alkaline drop album, it does a different thing. You see it? Masterpiece, you don't know, the 10th anniversary. Yeah. So it's like, you know, when Alkaline do things, it's just timing, like something special. You see it? But the Gaza girl say, look here. We can't go on, you know. Alkaline album there, wait, pan, you know. She not even want to see Massacre one. Not even caught it. For sure. Yo, I'm telling her already, you know. Enough of them people where you see. Listen Alkaline. Behind them doors. May I tell you that. Yeah, it's just that when people size up Alkaline with Cartel, them not like that. You see me? But them love Alkaline music. You hear how she attack? You know say she always listen Alkaline and she say, yo, you can't go and wait. She don't want your Cartel album. Cause Cartel a drop album and nothing not go on. Alkaline album she want hear. That me I tell you. You think a joke thing? Cause look here now. Alkaline always a bring quality to the thing, you know. You see it? The man always a bring quality to the thing. And that me I tell you. I'm not joke thing. Quality. And the boss step out and, you know, I did him thing and, you know, brawling. You see it? Legendary. Cause remember youth still young, you know. Man still young. You see it? But the album we are going to drop, trust me, I know nothing normal. You see it? I well want to see all the app that we are making. I well want to see that app there. You see it? I well want to see that app. Because I know say that going to be a mad thing. I tell you that. When the app they drop, I download that, you know. I make sure yo, I tell you, latest gadgets me have for that the app there. That me I tell you, think of chattings. You see me? Yeah man, the latest gadget. You see it? When the app there, with Alkaline drop, it will app a go shot, it have to go dip on a latest set of phone them. Yeah man, me I tell you. Latest set of phone them, cause that a go be a next talk in a dancehall, a next masterpiece. All the apps them a go download the app. You think a joke? Me I tell you that. The apps them a go download the app fast, cause remember you know, they love watch Alkaline, you know. Them gonna download that fast as it drop. You could as say I'll put a link card pan and a pay membership. Yo, dog, we tell you, say, yo, that's all that is a freak, dog. Yo, I tell you people. Yo, I tell you, dog. But me not lie still. Me don't know in this. Me don't know where the old dancer would have managed without Alkaline to rot it. In this area, car, bro. A man just can't live in life, dog. Like, it no matter what, him name just in a heavy conversation. Without even insight. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, in a video, I cut him and I'm carry him going now. Cause video shoot done and everything. You see it? So I cut him going and I carry now. You don't know a couple people have video him and them little thing there. You see it? So one of them thing there, man. Boss I jump in I think I GLE. Yeah, man, a GLE bent back. You know things said, but you don't know. Alkaline do him thing, you know. You see me, and just do it different. You see me? No matter the hate where them eat the artist. I just hate me the artist get more, you see me, stronger and you know, aware I'm surrounded more and how for making moves and all of them little things. You see me? Cause I think after so many years, right? At first, them see Alkaline like a walking at the street. Them man there, you never see them man there walking at the street yet. I tell you that. I don't think them ever see Alkaline downtown yet. You see me? So it's just a superstar level, like, you know. You just do him thing different. You don't know what the data boss. But people, when you don't know, you know, a one media fax, you know it thing set. Yeah man. That is it.